Our next gift, Nigel, is this huge box, which has the Nomono all-in-one podcast microphone set, and it has 4 microphones and a capsule where you can place the mic sets, and it charges it as well, and they're great with noise cancellation. And the fact that it's like a mini studio that you're just carrying around and you could record anywhere. I think as a podcaster, this would be the best Christmas gift ever.
I think if you're taking your audio seriously, this is a pretty high-end product, but it looks like something from a sci-fi movie. It's like this dome, and the microphones all fit in there nicely, but it's just really nicely designed.
It's aesthetically pleasing as well. Space-wise, it's not you setting up things on tables and cables, it's just wireless. And to have that portable kit that you can carry and have up to 4 microphones, that's like an investment, but a definitely good investment to have.
And the sound quality is amazing, isn't it? Can I say that we're using this very system to record this video now?
Yes, so if you can hear us loud and clear and you can't see the mic, that's because we're using the Nomono mic set.
And the noise cancellation is second to none, isn't it, on this as well?
I mean, we've been making so much noise, wrapping, cutting, moving things on the boxes, so yeah.
We took one of these to a noisy factory, didn't we? And we had the noise of the factory in the background.
If you watched the Billingham factory tour, we were actually using this microphone set, and it was a very noisy factory. I mean, it is a factory, very noisy warehouse setup, and we use these microphones, and you can hear the entire interview really well. So if you wanted a sound test of the actual mic set, go and watch the Billingham factory tour. We will add that link to the description just so you can go and find it.
I'm trying to work out how much paper we need. Probably quite a bit.
Quite a bit, because I don't think it'll fit.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'll do it from here. I think this will be good. Another thing that's pretty cool about this is that each of the 4 mics has a different coloured light, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. So you're able to tell who's who and who's on and what they're saying.
I did this wrong, didn't I? So what we'll have to do is insert a pack, won't we?
Yeah.
Insert a little... Will it go this way?
Yeah, because it's a proper square.
So it needs a strip adding, which I could take from this end because we don't need...
Okay. Let's see. Oh, did it stick? Okay.
Right, okay, so if I do... Okay, so put that on the middle.
So there's been this trend of like girl math, boy math, mom math. This is gift wrapping math. If it doesn't quite fit, cut from somewhere else, make it work.
Is that good?
Yep. Can't even tell. Okay, I'll get the tape. Perfect. I need the scissors. So Nigel, I know our viewers might not know this because probably they've never had the opportunity to ask you this, but what kind of photography do you do?
Well, because I work as an amateur photographer, these days I'd photograph whatever opportunities come to me, which is often quite a lot. It could be portraits and model shoots, it could be landscapes or nature photography or whatever, but usually around demonstrating a new product or camera. But before I did all that, and when I'm not doing that, my thing was travel photography. So before I was at AP, I was pretty much a travel photographer. And that's still my favourite thing, I guess. So I'm very inspired by going somewhere new, somewhere different. I know a lot of people take inspiration from their local surroundings, but I'm not one of those people. I like to go somewhere new and then see all these new experiences, and then that inspires my desire to take pictures.
Amazing.
So I've got a lot of travel. I used to supply travel for stock photography to Getty Images when I was travelling a lot.
Might need to do this fold. Let's just tape it one more time. So it holds.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Happy with that?
I mean, we're not professional at gift wrapping. We're enthusiasts. We're amateurs.
Yeah.
But this gift is definitely for someone who's a pro and is looking to get into professional podcasting, or invest in that kit that's like really high end and really great. Take that over.
It's also, if you're the kind of person that does like interviews or
Yes.
with multiple people in the same video.
So definitely for videographers as well who do a lot of filming, have multiple people on set, and want that good audio. Again, as we said, you can't even see the mics, they're on us, but you know.
So here we are. We done? We good?
Yeah,
don't forget
we always need a little razzle dazzle, little glam. I'm gonna put it on the front bit. So there we go. A little ribbon to add some glam. And it's perfect.
Here we go. Perfect gift for probably yourself, because it's quite an expensive gift, I guess. Just a gift.
I wouldn't even wait for anyone to buy this for me. I would buy this for myself. And it's okay to gift yourself. You don't always have to wait for someone to actually buy you a gift. You know, treat yourself. You've worked so hard. You deserve it.
Perfect.